understand because he is currently under arrest. He's going to go to the...
He's trying to tell you. He's trying to tell you. Are you listening or are you just there? Because it seems like you're there and your brain's somewhere else. He's trying to tell you what's going on.
First, most importantly, resist an arrest without violence, okay? Also, here in the car, there's a large amount of drugs.
I am the bread.
A large amount. So therefore, that's why we're here, okay? That's what he, as of right now, he's the owner of the car. He was sent. He told me all of his belongings is here.
His whole mama done pulled up.
So that's what we
Why am I saying get tased?
Okay? So y'all have...
You live in car ready.
Yes, ma'am. Yep, because we have a narcotics dog, the K9 narcotics
Really close
dog
enough
came.
to it.
We had a positive alert for narcotics within the vehicle.
Diddy was ready now. Now he booked.
What the hell? Ooh, that gotta be a first, bro. That gotta be a first.
25. At least, just a quick count.
Deputies and detectives find 27 crack cookies, totaling over 800 grams in weight, along with smaller baggies of crack, a scale, and razor blades. The estimated street value is between $40,000 and $50,000. Cornelius Banks was charged with felony trafficking in cocaine and resisting an officer without violence.
And cookies.
Bro got cooked. I'm gonna get at you on the next video, man. Y'all be cool. Y'all be cool. Y'all be careful. Y'all stay out the way. And Happy New Year's from the Ghost. I love y'all 100.
That's crazy. Got caught with all that fucking.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
That's Snoop Dogg, the Godfather. I hit that blunt. I'm going to see the father. Damn.
No, he gonna be in jail
Oh,
ready
this
to
gas,
smoke himself.
93 octane.
I got caught with all that shit and forgot that shit was in the car. My dumb ass.
Another one sparked already. He being unreasonable. This beyond me. If he think I'm finna hit that blunt again.
That's why I ride by myself and go get the package because it ain't finna be no stop nowhere I don't need to stop.
Tell him I hit it 10 times already. I'm finna call 911 and report an attempted murder. He keep passing me blunts. He think we in a relay race. What a bummer. I'm finna put this out, and if he asks why, I'm gonna tell him I'm allergic to marijuana.
I'm allergic to marijuana.
But with each exhale, I'm about to die. He gotta knock it off. I done already took 2 blunts. He done sparked a 3rd one. Smoke monster. I'm finna play sleep. I'm comatose. Big fella, you took that blunt to the head. Now you finna be in the nearest hospital bed. This ain't the move. I'm finna scoot. He a different
Breed.
So let's get back to the topic. I've got the garlic in there. I'm gonna chop up this onion. I'm gonna put a little bit of water, and I'm gonna just
shout out to the Superfood page. Shout out to go check out my video sponsors.
What do you all know about the studies? Have you seen any studies? Are you familiar with this? That sugar is addictive, and one of the main ways that we get it is in our ultra-processed foods. So anything that's processed or ultra-processed, for example, if you're eating a tomato, that's just a whole food. If you turn that tomato into ketchup, if you turn that tomato into any sort of sauce, then it's processed. And it may be ultra processed, like ketchup would be ultra processed because you can't even recognize it anymore. If it's salsa, that would be processed because it has been changed, but it's not ultra processed where there's been all these additives and all these different things happening with it. So we're just gonna rough chop our onion and put that in the pan. And remember, we're sauteing these all with a splash of water. Christiana, can you bring me the liquid aminos, please? Thank you. So liquid aminos, I'm going to use those as the salt here to season this up. And let's see what you all are saying in the chat. Rambo is saying, dark vegetables and fruit come with extra stuff. Absolutely. The darker the berry, the sweeter the juice, right? But also the darker the berry, the sweeter the nutrients, like the darker the food. So Rainbow is saying, dark vegetables and fruit come with extra stuff. So eat lots of colors in fruit and vegetables and eat from all over the world. It's ours to eat. Absolutely. So that's another good way to look at it. You know, when you think about it, you just have to say, okay, I'm going to eat the rainbow, as they say, but why are you eating the rainbow? Because the phytonutrients in the different foods are different. So you get vitamin A and carotene in carrots or any orange vegetable, you'll find some of those same properties. So like butternut squash or pumpkin